everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today I want to talk to you a very crucial topic is women empowerment. I practiced much on this topic. I searched it about more and I practiced. That's why I am standing in front of you. Now let's start. Women is very important part of the world in society. The man has the responsibility of women's. Women works tirelessly and your mother works tirelessly. So I want to tell you something. Now I want to tell you the effects. सब बुराई ऐसे क्या बोलते हैं? I am going to tell you the evils of people are not like girls. I have seen that pregnant women earlier times what happened that they came to know by doctor that what is in their stomach and girls or boys many people are bad they kill them in their stomach. It is bad. It will also affect our future children's. So save girls. And I want to say something that boys are given much importance than girl. More importance than girl because the parents thinks that at their old ages the boy will look after them even because of ideology. Because they think their daughters will marry off, then who will look after the boys will look after them, and they also think that their home name will go up by their boys because they are girls home because they will at their home. And, I want to say something that people say British are wrong. That something also good. Because British played a very important role in women's life. Religion, what happened that earlier days, suppose a woman's husband got died, then he had to also burn with the dead body of his husband. Then it is wrong. Think about earlier days what happened that small young baby girl married off in their families. Then suppose his husband died, then he has also to burn with their husbands. So it is wrong. And I want to say something. We have to give much rights to. I want to say something to government. Then the bus driver right that this much discount for girls. It is not opportunities for them. The opportunities are there. Let them go outside. Discount is not any opportunity. They have money. They will spend. It is very important to give right opportunities to them. Don't give discount. It is not opportunity. It is known as saving their money, and they know that if they want to make their future, they have to spend their money. So it is not an opportunity. Now I want to tell you the very funny moment. I saw an ad and there was a old man. He was saying that yes, we should save girls because the girls will become someone's mother. The last moment did funny. He said that's why eat Dilwar. I think what the match it is, and I think what the hell it is. So thank you so much guys. This is all.
Bravo, everybody.